In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Security. Then click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, choose Got It in the pop-up after reading the disclaimer. And finally, create your login method. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And if you are sure of it, hit confirm at the bottom right corner. In order to add your fingerprint right away, select Add in the pop-up. You can always do that later on. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!